Yo, crypto fam! Are you ready for some mind-blowing news that's about to shake up the entire Hamster Kombat universe? Buckle up, because this ride's about to get wild. August 28th, September 4th, September 18th. 3 dates that could change your crypto fortune forever. Are you in? What's crackin', everyone? It's your boy coming at you with some red-hot intel about Hamster Kombat that's got the whole community buzzing. We're talking airdrops, listings, and game-changing updates that could make or break your crypto journey. So, lean in close, because you don't want to miss a single word of this. First up, let's address the elephant in the room. Hamster Kombat's been playing some serious mind games with us lately. You've probably noticed the player count taking a nosedive from a whopping 155 million down to a measly 86 million. Yeah, you heard that right. It's like half the Hamster Kombat world just vanished into thin air. But here's where it gets interesting. Hamster Kombat isn't backing down. Oh no, they're doubling down with an airdrop that's got everyone talking. Now before you start dreaming of Lambos and private islands, let me hit you with some real talk. This ain't gonna be your typical Dogecoin or Bloomcoin style bonanza. Hamster Kombat's keeping it real, telling us straight up not to expect the moon. But hey, in the crypto game, anything can happen, right? Now let's get to the juicy stuff. Word on the street is that August 28th is going to be huge. We're talking a massive update that's going to shake things up big time. They're saying this update is all about the guild system. You'll be flexing your crypto muscles, showing off your loyalty, and racking up achievements like never before. But wait, it gets better. September 4th, mark it on your calendars, set an alarm, tattoo it on your forehead if you have to. That's the day Hamster Kombat might hit the listings. And if that wasn't enough to get your heart racing, how about September 18th? That's when the airdrop is set to drop. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what about my unique guild card? Don't worry, I've got you covered. You'll have the chance to upgrade your card based on the games you've played. It's like leveling up in real life, but with actual crypto rewards. Here's the deal, though. Hamster Kombat's been known to switch things up faster than a chameleon changes colors. They're keeping us on our toes, and that's got some people jumping ship. But let me tell you something. In the crypto world, volatility is the name of the game. Those who stick around might just be the ones laughing all the way to the bank. But let's keep it real for a second. Hamster Kombat's making it crystal clear. There's no guarantee of profit from this airdrop. They might be playing 4D chess here, folks. Imagine this. They reduce the number of users, then drop a small airdrop to make everyone who left think, dang, I thought it was fake, but they actually came through. It's a mind game within a mind game. So, what's the play here? Simple. Stay informed, stay ready, but most importantly, stay skeptical. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, but don't count Hamster Kombat out just yet. They might just have an ace up their sleeve. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you think the big update on the 28th is really going to happen? Is it going to be all about the guild system? And what about that September 4th listing? You buying it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's get a discussion going. Remember, in the world of crypto, knowledge is power. And now, you're armed with the latest and greatest Hamster Kombat intel. Use it wisely, my friends. Before I sign off, let me leave you with this thought. In the crypto game, it's not about how you start, it's about how you finish. And with Hamster Kombat, we might just be at the starting line of something huge. So are you ready to ride this Hamster Kombat to the moon? Smash that like button if you're hyped, hit subscribe if you want more insider info, and get ready for a wild ride. The next few weeks are going to be insane. Did they really lose 50% of their players? Or is just that people stopped playing with 5 accounts? Anyways, less players means a bigger airdrop. So if you want to quit, do it. I know damn right what I'm going to do. Anyways, guys, if you want to always be first to know what's new in town, and also have a chance to win some epic giveaways, then please feel free to join our Telegram group. Link is in the description. This is your Crypto Insider. And before signing off, here is a huge shout out to all of my epic channel members. Muhammad Albada Moyekora, Enoxen001, Marinov Tube, Okemdi Chiamamez, Behind Wheels, James Peter Edet, Enger Chukwunonzo, Chioma, Osundeko Sasan, Yahaya Haruna Idris, Adi Queen, Jacob Malo, Akene Okuosa, Sir Faithy, Michaela, Akinwell Johnson, Godin Walby, Damian Dickman, Nick, Angel Phoenix, Ogechi Destiny, Equimi Kingsley, Bipolaroid, Alexithymia, Doten Ayeni, Tochukwu Lawrence, Chika Egbo, Benedict Emeka, Ifedigbo Chukwe Buka Nduka, Obianuju Purity, Lorena Canarezio, Mohammed Labaran, Jazzy B021, Raymond Sunday, Ihamadu Christopher, Dr. Parasites, Cleve Ethson Wealth, Ruth Ekenem, Raida Musa, Easy Blaze, Nicholas Mahler, Sir Wills, Miss Baudine Raji, Kuris M, Jasper Ibrahim, Joycey, Chiadozi Masirionia, Isa Tahir, Soare Ionel, Petri Paikanen. Thank you guys for supporting me. You are amazing. Stay savvy, stay hungry, and I'll catch you on the flip side.